Goldie, good day mga ka-nation! We're back for yet another episode of Goldilocks Magical Mashups. Of course, kasama ko na naman ang ating salamangkera sa kusina na si Miss Joanne Kyle. But before anything else, please allow me to greet everybody a happy Halloween!
Goldie, good day mga ka-nation. Aba, it looks like someone is starting to count down to Halloween.
You bet I am.
And are you ready for my trick and treat?
Aba, trick na nga, may treat pa! So, what Goldilocks products are we gonna be using today, Joanne?
Well, we have the chocolate and mocha rolls. They are classic sponge cakes rolled with butter icing.
Nice.
And of course, we have a third flavor, which is ube.
Yes, of course. What are the choco and mocha rolls gonna be morphing into today?
Well, how does chocolate mocha eyeball sound to you?
Fantastic. Baka naman matakot kaming lahat dyan.
It will certainly be eye-catching.
There's more!
And I promise you, it will be fun and yummy.
Yes, well, I'm very sure about that, John. So I'm gonna go ahead and say the magic words, okay? Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness.
There you are, Lee.
Yes.
And like the song says, I only have eyes for you.
Well, so much fun, Joanne. So fun to look at, so enticing. Parang I just wanna take a bite right
Sige
away.
na.
I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now.
Go
okay,
ahead.
Try.
Well,
Wow, that's so yummy. And may I say, eye-popping. Goldilocks chocolate and mocha classic rolls, presto changeo, Goldilocks choco mocha cake eyeballs. You've done it again, Joanne. You've done it again. Sarap.
thanks, Lee. And mga ka-nation, just to remind you, you may now order Goldilocks products at goldilocks-usa.com.
There you go. Well, mga ka-nation, we'll see you again next time for another episode of
Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie, good day!
Eyeballs.
So good.